So we've got a really interesting video. We're headed to Hollywood, Florida. Me and Pat are headed all the way down here, state to state, without a plate for something super, super interesting.
This thing has got something in it from the frame right here. Shake it, Jorge. Oh, yeah. Arriba, bum, bum, bum.
Arriba, bum, bum, bum.
Shake it, shake it. Just put your head, okay?
Now, they told her that this was unfixable. Unfixable for them, but not unfixable for you and I. So, I'm curious, do you think I can fix it? And we're going to pick up this woman's van that's got rusty trailing arms on it. We're going to fabricate, design, and engineer a way, hopefully, that you can do this fix too. If I had a claim to fame here on YouTube, it'd be because of my inspirational videos, my self-empowerment things, but also my dedication to engineering and fabrication. So these are some of the things that I've done over the years that brought this woman and I together and gave her the confidence to allow me to go from all the way from Michigan all the way down to Florida and pick up her van, bring it back to our studio, engineer something new for it. At the very least, I'm certain we can fix it, make it safe, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to make something that you can use to make yours safe. That's where the real prize is. Currently, with all the things that I produce off my channel, it's what allows me to keep making my empowering videos so I can help folks like you. So if you want to leave your thoughts in the comments about this is a 2012 Chrysler Town Country that we're doing here, and should be pretty neat. I'm sure if hers is broken, thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, are going to break too.